Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something super exciting for all you real estate agents out there. How to build a data model for property listings, agent information, and client data for your real estate platform. It's all about making your work efficient and organized. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about property listings. Imagine a table with columns like property ID, address, price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and property type. Each row represents a unique property. This structure allows you to quickly access crucial details about any listing at a glance, making it easier to provide potential buyers with accurate information. Next, we have agent information. Think of another table where each row is an agent, and the columns include agent ID, name, phone number, email, and specialties. Linking these agents to properties they manage is key. You can easily track who's handling what and foster better client-agent relationships. Now, on to client data. This table should have client ID, name, contact information, preferred property type, budget, and any specific requirements. Having all this information organized helps you tailor your services to each client, ensuring a more personalized and effective approach. Here's where it gets super interesting. Relationships between these tables. You want to link properties to agents and clients. For instance, in your property table, you'd have a column for agent ID, tying each property to an agent. Similarly, in your client table, include a column for property ID to track which properties clients are interested in. By creating these relationships, you can generate insightful reports and analytics. For example, you can easily find out which agent has the highest number of listings, or which properties are most popular among clients. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions and improve your business strategies. To wrap it up, let's talk about a few tips for maintaining your data model. Always keep your data updated. Regularly review and clean your data to remove any inaccuracies. And don't forget to back up your database to prevent any loss of valuable information. Building a real estate data model may seem daunting, but it's a game changer for efficiency and organization. With a well-structured model, you'll be better equipped to manage properties, agents, and clients, ultimately driving your business success. So there you have it, a quick guide to building your real estate data model. Remember, the key is to stay organized and make the most out of the information you have. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling! Catch you in the next video.